Hello friends, welcome to the Basics of Packaging series. This series introduces you to the packaging industry. Is your packaging truly sustainable or does it just look eco-friendly on the shelf? We will discuss about sustainable packaging and eco-friendly alternatives in this part 9. Welcome to part 9, Sustainable Packaging and Eco-Friendly Alternatives. In this module, we will explore the urgent need for sustainable packaging, the materials that enable it, and how businesses are responding to growing environmental concerns. Why sustainability matters. Packaging waste contributes significantly to global pollution, especially plastic waste. Consumers and governments alike are demanding solutions that reduce environmental impact. Sustainable packaging is not a trend, it's a necessity. Key goals of sustainable packaging. Sustainable packaging aims to minimize environmental impact, reduce material and energy use, encourage reuse, recycling and composting, maintain functionality and product protection, improve life cycle performance of packaging. Types of eco-friendly packaging materials. Here are some popular sustainable materials. Recycled paper and cardboard. They are biodegradable and recyclable. Bioplastics like PLA, PHA. They are made from renewable sources. Compostable films. They disintegrate in industrial compost. Monomaterial films. They are easier to recycle. Glass and metal. Infinitely recyclable with high recovery rates. Recyclable versus compostable versus biodegradable. Let's clarify the difference. Recyclable means they can be collected, reprocessed and reused. Compostable means material breaks down into nutrient rich compost in specific conditions. Biodegradable means they decomposes through microbial action where time frame and residue vary. This image explains all three types of material: recyclable, compostable and biodegradable. Now let's understand recyclable, compostable and biodegradable materials in detail. Here the important is suitable for circular economy. So recyclable is suitable for circular economy, yes. Compostable material are suitable for circular economy, it's limited. Biodegradable suitable for circular economy, no. Why? Because the time frame is undefined, can be years, one reason. Second, end result is smaller molecules or residue. So still there are some molecules and residues. So the best is recyclable. Second choice should be compostable, and biodegradable is used just for greenwashing. Now let's discuss key standards and certifications, Indian and global. Recyclable packaging standards for India are CPCB plastic waste management rules and BIS standards for plastic and paper. For global, ISO 14021 environmental claims and EU packaging and packaging waste directives, how to recycle labeling for USA. The important note is no certification alone guarantees recyclability, local collection matters. Now key standards and certifications for compostable packaging standards. For India, it is CPCB guidelines for compostable plastics and ISO 17088. Globally, EN 13432 for Europe, ASTM D6400, D6868 for USA, TUV OK compost industrial standards. Certified compostable is equal to defined time plus no toxic residue. So in compostable material, you have to take care of two things. Timeline should be well defined and there should not be toxic material in the residue. Biodegradable packaging standards for India is CPCB guidelines. There are limited approvals. Globally, ISO 14855 and ISO 15985, ASTM D5511. Biodegradable standards focus on decomposition, not environmental safety. So there is limitation. Now let's understand common greenwashing mistakes in packaging. Mistake 1: using biodegradable without time frame. A plastic that takes 10 years to degrade is still called biodegradable. So this is misleading. Mistake 2: compostable logo on non-compostable packaging. Many packages claim compostable but lack certification or need industrial composting, not available locally. So material is not compostable but claim is made and there is no certification, or material is compostable but local facility is not available, so ultimately it can't be compost. Mistake 3: recyclable in theory, not in reality. Multi-layer laminates marked recyclable when no recycling infrastructure exists. Same thing, it is marked recyclable but the infrastructure, locally the infrastructure doesn't exist. Mistake 4: mixing sustainability claims. 100% recyclable and compostable. But this is technically impossible for most materials. Mistake 5. Ignoring ink adhesive and coating impact. A recyclable substrate becomes non-recyclable due to wrong inks or barrier coatings. So friends, whenever you purchase material, please take care of such points as misleading information. So what is the professional takeaway? Recyclable is the best option where system exists. Compostable is best for food contaminated packaging. What is food contaminated packaging? We will understand in the next slide. Biodegradable. Use cautiously, avoid vague claims. Means whenever biodegradable is written, please also go through detailed information. So true sustainable packaging is equal to material plus design plus infrastructure plus consumer behavior. So all these factors make packaging truly sustainable. Packaging is called food contaminated when it is no longer clean enough to be recycled because food sticks to it or soaks into it. Common examples: greasy pizza boxes, oil absorbs into paperboard, French fries pouches or wraps, burger wrappers, instant noodle cup with leftover food, paper cups with inner coating and beverage residue, chocolate or sauce coated wrappers. Now let's understand how to design for recycling. To support recycling, use fewer materials and layers in the laminate structure. Avoid incompatible combinations like PET plus PVC. Minimize use of inks, adhesives and laminates. Clearly label packaging for disposal guidance. Packaging waste management strategies. Three main strategies dominate. One is reduce. There's the lighter, smaller packs. Second is reuse, that is returnable containers or refill systems. Third is recycle, closed loop recycling systems and improved collection infrastructure. Life cycle assessment, short form is LCA. A life cycle assessment examines the environmental impact of a package from cradle to grave. It evaluates energy use, emission, water consumption and waste generation, helping businesses make informed decisions. What are the sustainable packaging certifications? Key certifications to look for are FSC, that is Forest Stewardship Council, it is for paper. OK Compost and Seedling, it is for compostability. Plastic neutral or carbon neutral labels. This help build customer trust and compliance. What are the innovations in sustainable packaging? Exciting innovations include seaweed based wrapper, mushroom packaging, edible films, paper based flexible pouches, digital watermarking for intelligent recycling sorting. Challenges and limitations. Despite progress, challenges remain. Higher cost of sustainable materials, So sustainable material is available and it perfectly fits into the requirement, but its cost is higher. That is the one challenge. Limited availability of composting or recycling infrastructure. Performance trade-offs in barrier or shelf life. Consumer confusion over disposal practices. So these are the major challenges. Case studies. Companies like Nestle, Unilever and Tata Consumer Products are piloting paper-based water bottles, plastic-free sachet, 100% recycled PET bottles. This pioneers so that scale and sustainability can coexist. The way forward. The future lies in circular packaging systems where materials never become waste. It requires cooperation between brand owners, packaging suppliers, regulators and consumers. Design with the planet in mind and packaging becomes part of the solution. Key takeaways. To summarize, sustainable packaging is essential for environmental responsibility. Eco-materials and smarter design help reduce impact. Compliance and innovation drive adaptation. Consumer education is key to success. Scan the QR code to explore more about biodegradable materials. So, remember our opening question. Is your packaging truly sustainable or does it just look eco-friendly on the shelf? Many packages appear eco-friendly due to color, graphics or claims, but may not be recyclable or sustainable in reality. True sustainable packaging is based on material choice, real-world recyclability and life cycle impact. The difference lies between green design, storytelling and actual environmental performance. So take care. What's next? Coming up in part 10, we will explore packaging, supply chain and logistics, how packaging moves through the system and supports product protection, cost efficiency and sustainability. This series is for students, entry-level professionals, entrepreneurs and experienced professionals. Now you can join the packaging community on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Share and recommend to others who may benefit. Your support motivates us to create more valuable content. Thank you.